Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I literally just finished a jump rope session here on this spot 3 minutes ago when an Amazon delivery truck showed up with a package. And inside the package is a copy of my book, Jump Rope Johnny and the Inspiring Mr. P. It's a 78-page book and it's based in part on a true story from my life. This book, it tells the story of a young boy named Johnny who was struggling with weight issues, bullying, a lack of self-belief, a lack of confidence. And his life is forever changed when he meets a substitute teacher named Mr. P. Mr. P is passionate about jumping rope and using the jump rope as a tool. He shares a number of life lessons with Johnny that forever change Johnny's life. I really enjoyed writing this book and I would love it if you check it out. I think you will also like it. All right, thanks for your support. I'll see you in the next video.